Now they've said draw the top view and front view of a square pyramid of 40 base edges and 50 height, with its base resting on HP and two of its base sides are parallel to VP. So first we'll see what is square pyramid. Square pyramid is like this. So two of its base edges are perpendicular to VP and parallel to VP. So that means these two sides are parallel to VP. If I'll draw HP VP, right? And if I want to draw a square pyramid is like this. So two sides are parallel to VP. So these two sides are parallel to VP. So whatever is whatever is VP, whatever is parallel to VP, it will be parallel to XY. So when you will draw square like this, because we are drawing pyramid, we'll join diagonal. This is how it will look in top view. This is what we are doing is square pyramid. And what I need to do, I need to draw axis. So remember that you draw axis and you take height here and then you join to this point. You extend from here. This is how you will get. So this is O dash, this is O. So this is A dash, D dash, B dash, C dash. So this side is how much? 40 and this height is 50. So we are done with front view, top view of a square pyramid where two of its sides are parallel to VP. So these two sides are parallel to VP. Now if I'll change the sum and if I'll say two sides are perpendicular to VP, then also it is correct. These two sides are perpendicular to VP. Okay. Now we have another sum called triangular pyramid. So we'll draw that. So the question is, let me erase. Okay. So the question is, draw the top view and front view of a triangular pyramid of 45 base edges and 50 height, resting on its base on HP. That means top view will give you true shape, with one of its base edge on the rear parallel to VP and 15 in front of it, right? So all of you know what is how this triangular pyramid will look like. Triangular pyramid will look like this. This is a triangular pyramid and they are saying it is resting on its base, and we'll draw HPVP. And they are saying that one of the base edge is parallel to VP. So when you're drawing it, so this is parallel to VP and this distance is 15 in front of. So this is how the triangular pyramid is, right? This inside one is dotted, so please ignore. So this is how it is. So this side is parallel to VP and 15 in front of VP. So in our case, it will be in front of XY. So when you will draw a triangle like this. This is how it will come. The middle line will be dark because you can see now. So this is A, B, C. This is A dash, C dash, B dash, O dash. This is front view and top view. So this is how it will be. The height is 50. What is important? This distance is important, which is 15, which is mentioned. And the side is 40 or 45, whatever is given in the paper. All of you got this? Now we'll do next sum, which is hexagonal pyramid. Okay. So in hexagonal pyramid, they are mentioning Draw the top view and front view of a hexagonal pyramid of 25 mm base and 50 mm vertical axis, okay, standing on HP on its base with two edges of base are parallel to VP, so parallel to XY. It is as simple as that, right? Let's say if I want to draw direct, I don't want to draw anything, that HP VP, I don't want to draw, but I know that two sides are parallel to VP. So that means two sides are parallel to XY. So this is how hexagon will come. Now, since it is pyramid, it will be this way. You'll have four lines like this. You'll have axis. Wait. You take axis like this, and then you join. This is how you should draw a pyramid. This is how it will come. This is top view. This is front view. Height is 50. And this base is 25. And these two sides are parallel to VP. Now, if they say that two sides are perpendicular to VP, so then you will draw it like this. That means whatever they are saying VP is nothing but XY line. Remember that. When they say two sides are perpendicular to VP, so these two sides are perpendicular to VP. So remember that. Now we'll do the next one. I hope you people are understanding this, what I'm trying to explain. Now we'll do the next one. Draw the top view and front view of an inverted pentagonal pyramid of 30 mm top face edges and 50 mm vertical axis with one of its edge of the top pentagonal end parallel to VP and nearer to the observer. So first of all, we have to draw inverted. What do you mean by inverted? So we have to draw a pentagonal pyramid, but it is upside down. It's like this way. We have to draw like this, inverted. The base will be up and the axis apex would be down. And what they're saying that with one of its edge of the top pentagonal end is parallel to VP. So this edge is parallel to VP. If I'll draw a vertical plane, it is this way. So this is parallel to VP and it is nearer to the observer. Of course, observer is here, so it is nearer to the observer. So when you will draw, so how will you draw? In top view, you will draw pentagon. So you will draw pentagon like this, right? And in this case, the base would be up. So what will happen when you're drawing those lines? All those lines will be dotted. Remember this. When you join with the center, right? From the center, you'll join all these lines. Because from the top, you can't see all those lines. So this is your axis line. Now here, the axis line will be dotted because this edge, if I name A, B, C, D, E. So this is E dash. So this will be dotted because axis and dotted, both lines are coinciding. So I'll give preference to dotted line. So this is how it will come: A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. And we will join like this. Now you tell me dark and dotted. When you see from here, you can see A, B, C, D, you can't see E. So B dash to O dash. Right, this is O. And C dash to O dash. So this is how it will come. Height is given 50 and base is 30. So this is front view, this is top view. This is inverted. Remember, inverted will be like this. Thank you. Now we have cone. So we'll do cone also here. Cone is also something like this, similar to pyramid. And then we need to do one circular pyramid or prism, Generally they say cone is circular pyramid, and cylinder they say it's circular prism. Okay, so right now we are dealing with cone. So the sum is draw front view and top view of a cone of 50 mm base diameter and 50 mm vertical axis with its base resting on HP. It is resting on horizontal plane like this. So what will happen? In top view, we'll draw a circle. We'll extend this. We'll extend axis line. Now here axis line will be like this. And this is how it will come. Front view, top view. Done. This is very simple. Same way we'll see this sum. Next sum. Draw the front view and the top view of a cylinder of 50 mm diameter and axis height 50 mm standing vertically. That means axis perpendicular to HP with base resting on HP and axis parallel to VP. So see what they are saying, that this is a piece. Axis is vertical. It is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. So when you will draw in top view, you will draw a circle. And in front view, you will draw a rectangle like this. And this is axis. Even if you don't draw, it's fine. This is 50 and this diameter is 50. Here also, this diameter is 50 and this height is also 50. Thank you.